Hey guys, what's up? It's Emem back with another video. So I am in Nigeria. Wow, this sun is very bright. Anyways, that's why it's really sunny and like very bright. I'm actually on the balcony of my house. But yes, I'm in Nigeria, and today I'm actually going to be doing a really fun video. So I'm going to be going around Abuja and just trying different street food. So that's my favorite type of food, to be honest. That's the one thing I really miss about Nigeria, the street food. So I'm going to be going around Abuja and just like trying different street foods with my father. And so I'm just going to head out right now. I'm going to come take you guys along with me. I thought this was going to be a fun, cool video to do in Nigeria instead of just vlogging. So yeah, let's do this and let's go ahead and go and find food. I'm excited. My stomach is ready. So we just headed out with my dad here, and so we're going over to the first spot. Are you excited for this video? Okay, so we're heading over to the first spot. I don't know, he's doing all the driving because he knows all the places in Abuja. Me, I forgot it. I haven't been here in a long time. So he knows all the spots. So he's taking me around. Let's do this.
I used to go to your grandpa's hospital in Lagos, Mabu.
So if you saw the last clip, it was actually how they wash the snail. So we just bought snail, and that's how they wash the snail. They have to use like the knife before they roast it. They have to like use a knife to scrape something off and wash it. It's very interesting. They have to scrape the slime off because the snails that we eat here are big snails. Because whenever I say we eat snail, people always think about those tiny things that crawl on the streets. Not those ones, we eat those big ones. So they take it out of the shell and then they wash it like that. So we just bought it. That's actually it on the back of the thing right now. So you still see what it looks like. So it's very sweet like this. They season it very well. And it's always very spicy, very peppery. But you see it soon. Nice art. This is Suya. We're not going to buy from them. We're at the garden where they roast fish. And so how they do it is that you pick the fish that you want, and then they'll roast it for you. They clean it and then they roast it for you. And then they season it and everything. So this is where they keep the fish. This is a live fish that they keep. Oh, it's flies everywhere.
For me now, when you say you know this.
It is the place that they roast it. So now he's bringing the fish.
Glam.
So that's how they'll show you the fish. See, it's big.
This one is not. This one no rate the one way they gave me for 5. It's small. It's small past the one.
It's small. My dad is saying it's small. I don't know what kind of fish he wants to eat.
You know the one way big past. This one no rate that one way they gave me for 5.
He's speaking pidgin English. So he's trying to tell him that that one is not big enough. That's not usually the size that he gets.
Which one big past those two? Huh? Are you sure? This one is bigger. Okay. Okay, so what you do this? Huh? That's what the buy fish, don't choose. Why you Sabina? Why you don't be hurt? You this man. I was like yam. Okay. Yam chips. I hope you are.
And then they'll go here and season it and roast it and everything on the charcoal and all that. So I'm going to go and get a table now. It's like the park area.
And Wait for the fish to be
I'll wait for the fish to be ready. My dad is already sitting down there. Hey. So we're waiting for the fish to be done. We've ordered our drinks, and so this is how people just sit outside on plastic tables and chairs and just eat. This is like the normal thing that people do, especially in the night. But we're doing it during the day because I need lights to film this video. So yeah, this is how it is. So actually, so we know how we bought snail. So since I'm waiting for the fish, I'm actually going to eat my snail now and just like show you guys what it looks like. And yeah, so let me open it. So this is what the snail looks like. As you can see, it's very seasoned and roasted. I really love these things. They're so nice. I'm about to eat it and enjoy. Ha! It's usually very spicy and peppery, and so they use like tomato sauce and like stew it and roast it and use like spices and just spice it up and everything. Okay, people can cook in this country. People can cook. When I say like food in this country is just magnificent. So I'm about to eat this one and I'll tell you guys what I think. Crunchy. It's spiced very well. See? And like very nice and saucy and spicy. Ooh, pepper is coming in. It's really good. Thumbs up. So this is how big it is. I talked about how it's like really big snails. The people are always confused whenever I say we eat snails. So like this is how big they are. Oh. It's so spicy. It's so peppery. My mouth is burning.
Very good. Okay.
Ooh. That's how you know it's legit.
Okay.
On point.
Okay. I'm going to which one? Okay.
They
I'm going
sell popcorn.
200 naira.
Which one be 200 naira? This one be how much?
This one. One and a half. 100 naira.
1.5.
100 naira.
They call this manpower.
Yeah. No. This one is the one they call manpower. I'm going to show you how.
The one that is mixed with granules.
The one
and
the one.
popcorn. Interesting. This one is called manpower.
Yeah.
Manpower.
Thank you. These are the sell things.
It's corn.
It's corn that, so instead of allowing the thing to pop completely, it's just basically the hard corn. People like it. Why do you like it? It's hard. How do you even crack it? Do it now. What is it? Here's how you do Zanku. That's my dance Zanku tutorial. That's how to do Zanku. So the fish has arrived. Look at this beautiful thing. Wow. Then this is yam. So now Americans think that sweet potato is yam. No, this is the real yam. These are yam chips and they're fried, so it's yam. And look at this beautiful fish. Ha! Ha! Look at this. I'm about to eat though. I'm about to eat. Look at this beautiful thing. Wow. Okay, so this is how they actually roast it in that place, and this is how they bring it and they serve it very nicely. And I'm going to enjoy this food right now. What is yam? Cool. How it is? Yam. Yam. Ah, sorry. It's yam now. Okay, this is yam. He's laughing at me because of the way that I say yam. What am I saying? Okay, yam. Yam. Ha? That's that. Look at that. Oh, it's hot.
I know. That's why the fuck is so true.
Yes. It's so good. So good. It's so big as well. And they garnish it with like onions and spices and everything. That's the way. really like the tail of the fish. It's actually my favorite part of the fish for some reason. I just really like cracking the bones here, and I feel like it's always the part that's the most seasoned because I just feel like all the seasoning just gets on it. So it's really my favorite part. I know, weird, but I really like it. So it's dark now, but as you can see, I've eaten half of it. Me and my dad ate half of it. We're going to get the remaining packed up. Hi, so much. Hey guys, so it's a different day. So today I went with my dad. We ended up waiting for the fish and it took a while. It took so long. So I decided to just like continue the video another day. And so today I'm actually here with my mom. As you can see, I'm just carrying them out every day. So I'm here with my mom today and we're going to let's say hi.
Hi. Thanks everyone.
So today we're going to go to get bole, which is like roasted plantain. We're also going to get puff puff. You see everything, and then we're going to get suya, and then just like continue with the street food video. I have me here with my friend Aisha. Hey, so we're actually going to go and buy bole right now.
Oh, bole.
It's not bole. I don't know which one it is though.
I think it's bole. Bole.
It's bole.
Okay, bole.
It's roasted plantain.
Yeah.
That's how they roast the bole. It's very fun, very nice, and then they put it with the sauce inside the pot like that. That's how they roast it.
Is that abacha he has or what?
She looks like abacha.
Like abacha?
So we're going to buy now.
I wanted to. I said no. Let me just keep my phone.
So what is it?
It's
bole.
plantain, yam, beans, and that's something they call oba.
Ogba.
And something they call the green leaf there is they call it oziza.
Oziza. Okay.
Yes.
Is it spicy?
Very spicy, very interesting,
Okay.
very nice.
Is
It's
that
extremely
small
extra.
fish, ba?
Yes, that's
And
small. That's a small fish.
pomo.
Pomon.
That
Very
looks so
proteinous.
good. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Enjoy your...
Look at Aisha. Oh, she's so bold. To me, I can't even do that. Just
We have to ask him about his
walked up to
food.
him and asked him about his food. So
We have
that's
to
why
be
you have
brave.
to have. You have to have someone brave like. Yeah, you have to pick the one that you want.
Who touches it?
You can't really control what touches
Sometimes
it.
it falls on the floor. Some people pick it up. I mean, ours fell. We didn't pick it up though. We're trying to be
We
clean.
can pick it up.
Clean
okay.
today.
That's the only thing. It's really like the hygiene, but at the same time, it's sweet. You enjoy
Very
it
sweet,
and you
spicy.
eat it. It's very spicy.
How
and
many
nice.
is one? 3.
So this is 3. So
3 plantains.
There's
plus
3
the sauce.
plantains, and then you
I
now
should
put
put it in a
the sauce
different
on
container.
top.
The sauce.
So we have our bole.
3
and now we're going
bags.
to go and eat.
We'll get drink.
3 hours later.
This is Suya. Okay, how much?
Okay, we sell 2,000, 1,000, 2,000, 5,000.
How much is 1,000? So how big is 1,000? I'm trying to
Taste it. Taste it.
We get to taste it, so I'm trying to see how much we can buy. Okay. Thank you.
2,000, 1,000, 2,000.
Very good. Okay. How big is 1,000?
1,000.
Expensive meat.
It's expensive. Add Jara for me now. Go add Jara. But let's do 2,000.
When they have master as well.
Go
I'm
add
not bring
Jara.
Yaka. It's too small. Because I'm not going to. I can for 1,000.
1,000, brother.
Nah, add now.
So, I'm saying, Papa, how about? So, no 1,000. Because when you come at 1,000.
Thank God Aisha knows how to speak Hausa.
I'm a learner. Just learned it.
So I have to go with the people that know. How do we know it's better?
We see the fire. Wow, this is hot.
So this is how they do it. It's very hot. And they just roast it right here on
They use their hands. Once
your hands,
again.
exactly. When you're eating here, you just have to know that your stomach has to be strong because they use their hands. They don't wear gloves, things like that. It's correct street food, so you know that you have to. You have to have strong stomach.
Yeah?
But it's so sweet. It's so good. So you always want to continue to eat. That's the pepper that they add. It's called yaji.
Tasties.
Oh, that's the kilishi.
Black. Pepper.
It's like dried meat. It's very spicy like that. This is kilishi. It's like dried meat. It's spicy. So it's I'm giving us to taste.
Do you like it?
Sweet.
I like it, but I don't feel like eating it. I don't feel like. So it's dried meat and it's very spicy. That's how it is. I eat it. Very nice.
So this is where you buy kilishi and suya and things like that. So this is like if you go and come around here, they'll give you sample so you can taste, so you can know the one that you want to buy from. That's how they do it. So let me take.
You're right.
Yeah.
Let me tell you, I do that sample first because they saw MM shoe.
I know.
It's someone like me that comes here. This your life is confusing.
Sometimes this driving. Sorry, let me finish it. Okay, so we couldn't find puff puff, and so that's going to be the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. They are giving me wahala. Let me end the video, please.
Mama said, lights.
So I'll see you guys in my next video. Hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm just seeing like a little bit of Abuja and Nigeria and the way we have street food and things like that. Subscribe to my channel, like this video if you did, and also comment down below. Tell us if you're Nigerian, what you like about Nigeria, and if you want to visit. So comment down below, like this video, and subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you in my next video. Have a great day. Bye. Peace and strength.